Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to control the visibility of your profile on the Naukri Job Search application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Jobs button down below and click on this menu icon in the upper left corner. Tap on Settings at the top and click on Communication and Privacy to control the visibility of your profile. Here you can select from three options: immediately looking for a job. So your profile is going to be visible to recruiters and they can reach out to you for job opportunities. Here you can see what it includes. So it includes daily recommendations, job status updates, notification when your profile is viewed, and so on. You can also select the second option, which is not actively looking but open for job opportunities. So it will not be visible to recruiters, but you can search and apply to jobs. And there is this not looking for a job change right now. So this will stop all communications from recruiters. So tap on the relevant one and then it will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.